Namho Himalaya. Pranam. Prayers for all of you. Wish you all wonderful energies. In today's class, in today's training, we will learn 7 minutes practice, 7 minutes techniques to strengthen our core muscles. We will be using 3 asanas. We will learn these 3 asanas with their time practice, how we practice the asanas with the timing, and how you synchronize first asana with the next asana. Prepare yourself. Warm up is very important. Relax your body. Do light stretches and get ready for first technique, first asana. Our first asana is plank, Santolanasana. Breathe slow. Come in position. And hold this asana. This is Santolanasana, plank. Keep breathing. Now, this asana need to be in the same position, same way for 30 seconds. So practicing 30 seconds will be considered as one set. Like this, we will do 5 times. So 5 sets of Santolanasana, plank posture. While practicing, breath need to be natural, not to be intense with your face or with your body. Relax with your heart, relax with your breath. If you are not able to hold so long in the beginning, you can start with 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Remember, if you practice in discipline and if you practice for longer duration, after 10 days, 15 days, you will gain that strength to hold these asanas for 30 seconds or 45 seconds or for 1 minute. So not to worry in the beginning that I'm not able to hold for so long. It's perfectly fine. Go slow. This is plank position, Santolanasana. 5 sets we are doing. Each set 30 seconds. Do with proper counter. 3, 2, 1. Very gently come down. Relax with your breath. Sit down in Sukhasana. Calm down. Now, let's move to the next technique, second asana. Second asana is very much similar to plank, but in this, we will use our elbows. So, drop down your elbows and hold your body weight in this position. This asana is known as elbow plank, Kurpa Dandasana. Stay here. Same way, 30 seconds, 5 sets. Breath natural, not to surprise your body, not to give panic. Relax with your face, relax with your muscles. Allow the body to gain this power. So if you give that space, if you give that situation to your body to grow, to become strong, to become powerful, body will reciprocate accordingly. While doing this, not to disturb your posture, stay calm. Same way. hold for 5 sets. So holding of elbow plank for 5 sets. Very, very, very gently come back. Now you see, you did your first technique, plank, second technique, elbow plank. Now we are moving to the third third process. The name of this technique is Naukasana, boat pose. Now we are holding Naukasana. Naukasana is a very powerful asana, very powerful posture. Not only to strengthen, but it also helps you to align your entire body. Hold this posture. Same process. Breath natural, not to give any tension to your body. This is boat pose. 3 sets of 30 seconds. Hold, stay there. Once you are done, then gently come down. Follow the timing strictly. Be disciplined with the timing. Very gently come out. You did plank, then you did elbow plank, and then you practiced boat pose. Timing for plank is 30 seconds, 5 sets. For elbow plank, 30 seconds, 5 sets. For boat pose, 30 seconds, 3 sets. And then remaining time you need to give rest to your body, mobilize your muscles, and calm down your breath. So today you did the training for core muscles. With more practice, we will meet soon. Take good care of yourself. Namho Himalaya. Pranam.